Papu, Kanna, listen here. This is Ruby Teresa. Example 1.7, 8th standard. Write the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. So, to arrange the number in ascending and descending order, first you have to, very good, make the denominators same. When the denominators are same, then it is easy for you to compare the numerators. Correct you are. You tell me the answer. Understand? And also one more thing. You see that there should not be any negative sign in the denominator. First you make it out to cancel this minus symbol in the denominator. That means what? You can change it. That is 7 by minus 10. So both numerator and denominators are multiplied by minus 1. Then this is plus into minus minus. 1 7 is 7. Minus into minus plus 1 10 is 10. Understand? So better while you are taking LCM and while you are making the denominators same, you better change the denominator into positive. Very good. There should not be negative numbers. Understand? So what is it actually? Minus 3 by 5, comma, minus 7 by 10, comma, minus 15 by 20, comma, minus 14 by 30, comma, minus 8 by 15. How is it here? 14 by minus 30. It is understood. Understand? It is not necessary to do it here, but you have to understand the concept. Plus into minus, minus. 114 is 14. Understand? Minus into minus, plus. 130 is 30. So, minus 14 by 30. Now, you see the denominator. You have to find out the LCM. You have to find out the LCM. As usual, you can do it. What is it? 5, 10, 20, 30, 15. What is common table, multiplication table? 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20. 6 5s are 30. 3 5s are 10. Again, is there any common multiple table? Yes. 2 table is there. 1 you bring it down as it is. Then 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Next 1 3. You bring this 3 as it is because 3 is not exactly divisible by 2. Again, very good. 3 is common here. So you have to write it. 1 2 you have to write as it is because 2 is not divisible by 3. Isn't it? Next one is what? 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Understand? Again what? 2. 1 1 1 1. 1 2 is 2. Understand? So here you have to take out the LCM. LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 3, 30. 30 into 2, 60. So this is one way of finding out the LCM. This is a usual method. But instead of doing this, this is the usual method. Understand? But instead of doing this, you see the numbers. Which one is the biggest one? Yes. 30 is the biggest one. 30 is the biggest among these 5 numbers. Which one is the biggest? 30. Not bigger, biggest. The biggest number is 30. So, 5. Yes. 5 table, 30 is coming. 10 table also, 3 tens are. This is 6 5s are. 20, no, it is not possible. But 15 it is there, isn't it? So, 20 table, you can't get this 30. So, this 30 should be multiplied by 2. What is it? 60. Yes, 5 table it is coming. It is divisible by 5 otherwise. 60. It is divisible by 10. 10 table it is coming. Understand? 20. 12 5s are 60. 6 10s are 60. 320 60. 230 60. 4 15s are 60. So it is divisible by 15 table you are getting 60. So 60 is the LCM. That is another way. This is another way of finding out LCM. Method 2. Method 2 to find LCM. Understand? So it is not compulsory to do it this method. This is for competitive exam I taught it. Understand? Even though you are in 8th standard, it is easy way only because it is multiplied by 2 only. It is very well easy to find it out also because it is ending with 0, 60. Ending with 0 means this is also 0, this is also 0, 30, then 15, 5. So it is multiple of 5 and this is multiple of 10. So it will be easy. Understand? So first one, minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. So you have to get 60. You have to get 60. How much? Very good. Here you see. Suppose if you are taking this method. 2 3s are. Very good. 6. 6 2s are 12. So 5 into 12. If the denominators are multiplied by 12, then the numerator also multiplied by 12. Understand? Then minus 7 by 10 multiplied by 6 in order to get 60. Here also multiplied by 6 because denominator is multiplied by 6. So numerator also multiplied by 6. Very good. Next one you say. Very good. Minus 15 by 20. Tell me one of you. Very good. Multiplied by 3. Then the numerator also multiplied by 3. 20 into 3 is 60. Again, minus 14 by 30. Very good. 30 into 2. Here you got the clue you see. Understand? Excuse me. Then numerator also multiplied by 2. Next one. Minus 8 by 15. 5 3s are 15. Isn't it? Then 2 2s are 4. So 15 into 4. Then here also 4. Understand? So here denominator you know very well. Isn't it? 60. 3 12s are. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3 minus 36 by 60. Next one. 60 minus plus into minus minus. 7 6 are. Very good. Who said 42? Super. Next one, 60. 20 into 3 is 60. Plus into minus, minus. 3 15s are 45. Otherwise, 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Next, 60. 14 into 2. 2 14s are 28. What 28? Minus 28. Otherwise, 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. Plus into minus, minus. Next one, 60. Plus into minus, minus. 8 4s are, 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 32. Because doubling is very easy. 4 4s are 16, then 8 4s are 32. Instead of saying 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 5 4s are like that. This is very easy. So now you see, denominators are same. So only you have to compare the numerator. Only you have to compare the numerator. So this is, since you have the negative symbol in the numerator, better to go for a number line. Better to go for a number line. All these numbers are negative. That means what? Which side you will get it? Here positive, isn't it? Here negative. That means how will you go? Minus 1. Here 0, isn't it? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It will go on. So when you go this direction, the value will be decreasing. When you go this direction, the value will be increasing. Isn't it? So how you will choose it here? Very good. First one, what you have to write? Minus 28 by 60. Minus 28. Next one is minus 32 by 60. Next one, minus 36 by 60. Next one, very good, minus 42 by 60. Next one, minus 45 by 60. Is it okay? 5 numbers. So we told you when you go this direction, the value will be decreasing. So comparing all these numbers, which one is the smallest? Very good. Minus 45 by 60 is the smallest number. So from here, while you are starting, so ascending means what? Very good. Smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So you can write as it is. Minus 45 by 60, comma, minus 42 by 60, comma, minus 36 by 60, comma, minus 32 by 60, comma, minus 28 by 60. Minus 28 by 60 is the bigger number. Comparing these things, this is the biggest and this is the smallest. So from smaller to bigger. But this is not the exact answer what they are asking. So you have to write the exact rational numbers what they have given. So for minus 45 by 60, actually what is it? Minus 15 by 20. Minus 42 by 60. Actually what is it given in the problem? Here. Very good. That only you have to write. 7 by minus 10. It is better to write the given rational number here. Because they have asked for it only. Isn't it? Next one, minus 36 by 60. What is it? Minus 3 by 5. Minus 32 by 60. Minus 8 by 15. Next one, minus 28 by 60. Minus 28 by 16. What is it? Minus 14 by 30 here we have given. Actually, what is it? 14 by minus 30. 14 by minus 30. So this is ascending order. Smaller to bigger. Next one is what? Descending. Next one is what? Descending order. Bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. That means what? Just it is in reverse. Because when comparing the smaller to bigger, then bigger to smaller. So what is the answer? 14 by 4. Minus 30. Sorry, Dhamma. Minus 30. Minus 8 by 15. Minus 3 by 5. 7 by minus 10. Minus 15 by 20. Understand? So this is the easy way to write. But you have to understand the concept. Greater symbol and smaller symbol, that is minus 45 by 60 is less than minus 42 by 60. Then minus 42 by 60 is less than minus 36 by 60. Minus 36 by 60 is less than minus 32 by 60. Minus 32 by 60 is less than minus 28 by 60. Do you follow? Do you follow or not? And also you can say that minus 28 by 60 is greater than minus 32 by 60. Minus 32 by 60 is greater than minus 36 by 60. Minus 42 by 60 is greater than minus 45 by 60. Do you follow how you have to say this? You should know. But for scoring problem to write the answer, this is the easy way. So which one is the answer part? So this is the answer part. This is answer. Ascending. Next one is descending. Do you follow? Do you follow or not? So while you are writing this, corresponding numbers, rational numbers, you have to write it down. But this is the easy way. Understand? This is not compulsory to write it like this, but you should know. Understand? Do you follow? Because number line, it is here. So you should know which one is the smaller one. Otherwise, you say it out. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So -28, -32, -36, -48, -45. Like that, I have to write it. Do you follow, every one of you?